welcome back. So, the topic of today's lecture is word classes. It is unit number 4 of our university syllabus. Now, this topic has got 5 marks, has been allotted 5 marks in our examination. So that it supports you for easy scoring of the marks. This is the easiest topic that we can study, and we are going to begin our syllabus with this easy topic, which is actually the traditional grammar. Now, what we see here is we have already studied this particular topic when we were in schools. Now we are grown up, but do we know the distinction? Can we identify the words from the different category of words? This is the question. For that purpose, this topic has been included in our curriculum. So let's see what the word classes are, how we can use them, and how we can score more marks as expected. Out of 5, you can expect and to score 5 out of 5, because it is not a theory question. It is just a grammar. Just like if if a topic comes in the heading of grammar, and if you solve it correctly, we get full marks without any unnecessary deduction in its writing. Therefore, it is easy for us to score 5 out of 5 when we study word classes. Okay, so now let us see what are the word classes. Traditionally speaking, we already studied the concept as parts of speech. You can remember this topic very well. Parts of speech. Let me clarify a few things here. Speech means language that we speak. Even in Marathi, we have got this particular grammatical topic in the beginning of the grammar. We study part of speech. Parts of speech, that is essential to begin the grammar, and unless and until we follow this concept of parts of speech, we cannot go further in the learning of the language. So that's why this topic has got some kind of a significance. That's why we are going to study it in some detail. The university, in this Horizon book, we have got all these topics covered in detail. Let us see them for the examination purpose and how to score more marks out of that. So we consider this as parts of speech. In Marathi, it is called as Shabdancha Jati. So what are these parts of speech? What are these word classes? How many word classes are there that we are going to study? How to identify each and every word from other word, that also we have to consider while studying part of speech.